Hey loves, it's Brianna. Today's video is a what I eat in a day vlog. I'll share with you what I'm eating all day along with what I'm feeding my family. Thank you so much for watching this video and thanks for subscribing.
This is the first thing I do every single morning. I go downstairs to the kitchen and I drink my AG1. It's been so easy to add it to my routine since I've been trying to have a healthier diet.
I'd like to thank AG1 for sponsoring today's video. AG1 is the first thing I drink in the mornings when I come downstairs after I wake up, before I make my coffee, before I eat my breakfast. I drink my AG1. It's super simple to make. You just use 8 to 12 ounces of water, mix in a scoop of the powder, and then I do a drop of the D3 K2 drops. It helps with the absorption because there's 75 different vitamins and minerals. They're sourced from the most high quality sources, so you know that what you're putting in your body is top notch. And that was just so important to me when I started this wellness journey a couple of months ago. You know, I was feeling really depressed and I just felt like my body was feeling really weak. I was exhausted all of the time and I just was at such a low point. I'm like, I need to change. And so it was so easy every single morning to drink my AG1 and I feel so much better, which is why I have to recommend it to you. I feel like my mood has improved so much, my energy has gotten so much better. There's no type of crash like there is with caffeine. It helps keep you regular. I feel like it also makes your skin super glowy. Like my hair's been growing like crazy, my nails have been growing like crazy, and it's definitely supported my immune system. So I have a QR code for AG1 on the screen. Or visit drinkag1.com/Brianna K. And make sure you use my link because then you get a year's supply of these D3 K2 drops. And you're also going to get 5 of the AG1 travel packs, which I love these for when I'm on the go. And thank you so much to AG1 for sponsoring today's video.
Next, I'll make a cup of decaf coffee.
Okay, then I always add a spoonful of this to my coffee. And for like the last month, I've been having my coffee just black. Like I don't use creamer anymore, just to kind of cut out on the sugar every single morning. And I make sure the dog has her breakfast. This week it's the turkey recipe. Making the kids' lunches, so they're having sandwiches.
What are you biking?
Landon always has a sun butter, and then Presley has this one. And Landon has a field trip today, so I have to put his in a brown bag, but they've got their juice boxes. They like these iced oatmeal cookie bars. He picked out sun chips, apple, sliced cucumber, and a sandwich. And then Presley really likes these mini cheddar cheese sandwich crackers. She loves those. But then everything else is pretty much the same. Hayden's favorite breakfast, right? Yogurt.
How many yogurts do you eat every day?
I eat 2 yogurts.
2 yogurts. That's it?
Uh-huh.
You eat like 5 yogurts a day at this point.
The kids usually pick their own breakfast on busy school mornings, so it's usually toast or granola bars, fruit, and yogurt.
You like those? You gotta do your hair buds.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love that. Picking out a treat, Peanut?
Yeah. I can't see what's in the other baskets though. Because I can't really decide. It's like I want stuff in the front, but I want to see what's in the basket just in case I like anything in there more.
I'm making my second coffee. And of course, gotta fill this up. Lots of ice. So like that much ice, then water. And I can never do just plain water, so I add this lemon juice to it. And then I drink so much more water when it has that little bit of flavor. And then for my breakfast, I have a banana, some Greek yogurt, and these snack size perfect bars. Just making sure I get lots of protein in my morning, especially before my workouts. Heading to lunch with Molly, so this is my outfit for lunch.
Vibes in here.
We went to the new Restoration Hardware restaurant for lunch, and it is so pretty there. Such a vibe.
And these
These are the crispy artichokes. I got the gem salad and they added chicken to it, some protein, and then a side of fries. Eat a day. What I eat in a day. All right, we just got home, changed into comfy pants, and I'm gonna be cleaning up the kitchen. I have like some dishes to put away and I just wanna clean up before I cook dinner. The big kids, they're being so sweet right now for Mother's Day weekend. They're cleaning out the car. It's not that bad. They just have like a bunch of stuff in it that they kind of need to all bring in. So they're doing that. And then we'll have dinner. One of my best friends and her husband and their 2 kids, they're coming over here for dinner tonight. So they're gonna bring like the kid dinner and I'm making the adult dinner. It's like a steak salad that I'm gonna be making.
And we were so excited because Molly sent me links to Taylor's new Tortured Poets set that she just performed in Paris. So of course we had to watch all those videos while I was putting away the dishes and getting ready for the dinner with our friends.
I just used the sweet citrus agave cleaner and I lit the coordinating candle and it smells like so good in here. It smells like I cleaned. Winner, winner, steak salad dinner.
Who uses a camera still? Like,
Shut up.
really? I mean, are we in 2002?
So this is my friend Maria. That was her husband Tommy. She has helped me through so much this past year. I'm seriously so thankful for our friendship. And it's so cool because their kids are the same ages as Landon and Presley. So it's really nice because they all play and get along together so well. I truly believe that God put their family in our lives for a reason. And while we were eating, the kids had pizza. I forgot to film it, but then the girls put on a little fashion show for us. They even dressed up Hayden.
Oh, okay, stagecoacher. Cowgirls.
And we got silly watching the Cavs game because Marie Kondo had sent me this tuning fork and crystal for cleansing bad energy from your home. So Maria told me to do it to Tommy. So that was what's happening here.
All right, friends just left, got the kids to bed, so it is time to clean up down here in the kitchen.
Some days it feels like all you do is clean the kitchen to cook, and then you clean the kitchen after you eat. But it wasn't too bad. Maria had helped me clean up a lot before they left. And I did just want to mention there is a new Cap and Queen scent just launched. You have to try our Spa Day multi-surface cleaner, and there's a room freshener that coordinates with it. It has notes of soft powder, peaceful lemongrass, tranquil jasmine. It'll leave you feeling like you're at the spa when you're done cleaning. So it's just a nice way to relax and enjoy cleaning a little bit more. So make sure you order yours at capandqueen.com.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this this is what we waited for. Oh yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free.
And I'll be sure to link my mop back for you in the description box. I know people always ask. I seriously love it. It makes cleaning up so much easier to be able to vacuum and mop simultaneously after dinner every single night.
Yeah. Be free. Be free. Be free with me.
I'm so tired. It has been such a long week and it's just such a crazy time of year. I feel like the end of the school year and Mother's Day, and I have like 2 babies' birthdays within a month of each other, so there's just always so much going on in the sports and the dance recitals and all the things. So Mama's tired. Mama's ready for bed, but the house is cleaned up. I hope you enjoyed this what I eat in a day video. Don't forget to check out AG1. It's seriously been the best thing for me as a mom trying to improve my wellness. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.